we're working on back before vacation was compassion. So that's what we're going to hand out first thing this afternoon are those awards to our students that during the month of December showed to your classmates and in their classrooms and when they were here in the building compassion for each other and for their peers. So we're going to start with that. Boys and girls, when you come up to get your certificate, I'm going to go in backwards order so our taller students can come up on the risers first. We'll line everybody up, tallest to shortest, and then we'll wait for just a minute. Mrs. Majerick will be taking a picture. And again, families, those of you that have cameras, and you'll have an opportunity to also do that. So let's hand out those awards first. Elena Gutierrez. Starting with first grade. Justin Love. Thelma Santa Rosa. Donovan Barbosa. Madison Kazisny.
It's Sissy.
Blake Shearer. Sarah Swain. Travis McHugh. Isabel Haley. Trent Harriger. And Trent is absent today, so we'll make sure that Trent gets his certificate when he comes back on Monday. Reese Middleton. Brianna Roten. Caitlin Vance.
Clap.
Alexander Lee. Evelyn Gilbert. Brody Coors. Deshaunay Gale. Tatiana Castor. Arlington Bailey.
Mama.
Rylan Jones.
He told me I couldn't take pictures of him. I'd take pictures of the kids.
Callista Reyes Quevedo. William Meisenheimer. Sienna Roten. Anthony Norris. Delilah Samsel. Lainey Hall,
Lainey, it's not our relative. Get out of here.
Walter Toomer, Caleb Flickinger, Brian Green, Talia Hunley, Haley Pennington, Ariel Constable, we'll make sure she gets it. Caesar Ochoa, Nolan Parchi,
What baby?
Dominic Kaufman,
I don't know.
Bradley Wilson, and the rest of the ones we have are pre-K, and I am going to announce their names. Sometimes we have the pre-K students with us, parents stay with them, and sometimes we don't, but I'll still announce their names. Sonia Telemelier, Thomas Copeland, Joshua Graham,
Woo! Clap for Josh.
Ethan Recker, Troy McAllister, Jacob Kay, Alyssa Blakely,
They're so tiny. They're so tiny.
and Memphis Carnahan.
Or do you want to take her?
Can we have a round of applause for these boys and girls who worked really hard on